Do our customers lie to us? Absolutely. If you're frustrated because your customers are lying to you, it's okay. It's natural. It's not you. But there might be something you're doing that's causing them to lie to you or withhold information a lot more. What is it? Asking them about your competition. So what is the deal that they're giving you over down the street at the Acme? So what's the special or promotion that this other place is giving you? We freak out, we lose our confidence, and we begin to ask customers about our competition. They're not there. Of course the customer is going to lie to you and say the other people, they're giving them a much better deal. Stop talking about your competition with your customers. That's your time to interact with them. Don't waste it opening the doors to lies by asking them about the deal your competitor has offered them. Hey, follow me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.